As you see here, they lay this poly down because here's where the brick's gonna go. Up here, the brick. So they don't want the brick actually sticking to the slab in case the slab moves. The brick actually does not move with the slab, so it prevents it from cracking. So it's important that this plastic goes all the way around. You don't do something like that. It needs to completely cover, just like it's doing now. And here's a little sneak peek of the brick being laid. As you can see here. And they stopped right here because here's where some caulking is going to go there. Very muddy over here, so I'm trying to just show you here what's going on right up in here. Just showing you a little bit about what's going on right here. You got the nice mortar coming in and everything looking good. All the way that way, this way. You got the plastic poly, like I said, so the brick will not stick to the concrete, the slab, and it stops right here, and it'll go that way. And it'll all cover up over here, and it'll cover up over there as well. The back of the house, you see, has no footing. So there's just going to be siding right here. There's going to be no concrete, or I'm sorry, no brick right up in here. It's going to be siding because there's nowhere for the brick to lay. I would go inside here to show you, but my boots are very, very dirty. This one's a little finished out. It's got sheetrock in it, and I don't want to step in here and make a trail. My boots are very, very muddy, as you can see. I'm bringing you this content, and it's been raining all day. All morning. But I'm not complaining. I'm excited. Once again, here's where you can see where the post tension cable came out through here. That's why it looks a little bit different colored. Right there. And then another one right there. All right, guys, let's go over here where this house has not been post tensioned, stressed yet. The cables are still awaiting. Typically, depending on the weather and the temperature, you wait about 12 days for the slab to dry, then you can post tension it. Some builders want a partial stress, which is somewhere around 30%, 25 or so percent of the full stress. All right, it's time to get back where it's a little bit more cooler. Thank you guys for watching this video. Like, subscribe, share, and join MNG Hydraulic Technologies. Goodbye.